Making money online from home has grown in popularity in the current digital era. There are various alternatives open to you, regardless of whether you're seeking for a full-time job or just a means to earn some extra cash on the side. Here are a few ideas for getting going. Freelancing is one of the most well-liked methods of earning money online. In freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, you can advertise your services if you are skilled in writing, graphic design, or social media management. You can set your own prices, build a profile, and bid on tasks that suit your skill set using these sites. Online product sales. You can make money by selling goods on websites like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. This could be anything from handcrafted items to those you buy in bulk. Finding a specialized market and producing goods that appeal to that market are the keys to success in this industry. Blogging. Via advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content, blogging can be a terrific way to make money online. You must launch a blog on a certain subject, then grow your readership. If your website gains popularity, you may start monetizing it with paid advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Online surveys. You can get paid by a lot of companies to complete their online surveys. On websites like Vindale Research, Swagbucks, or Survey Junkie, you can accomplish this. You can use the ideas you share with others on these sites to your advantage monetarily or in terms of points. YouTube. You may make money off of your YouTube videos by creating and selling them through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or advertising. To get started, you must first build a following for your YouTube channel within a specific niche. Via affiliate marketing, advertising, or sponsorships, you can start earning money from your videos once you've gained a following. Affiliate marketing. You can make money through affiliate marketing by promoting other people's products on your website or social media sites. To get started, you can sign up for affiliate programs on sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Following approval, you may start pushing goods to your audience and making money from each sale. Creating online course. You can design an online course and market it on Teachable or Udemy if you are an authority in a particular field. These platforms offer everything you require, including video hosting, course building tools, and payment processing, to develop, market, and sell your course. Virtual assistant. If you have administrative or technical skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to businesses. You can do this on platforms like Zirtual, Time, etc., or Fancy Hands. These platforms allow you to work with businesses remotely, providing services such as email management, scheduling, and data entry. Online tutorials. You can work as an online tutorials if you have a teaching credential or specialization in a particular field. Via websites like Chegg, TutorMe, or Schooly, you can accomplish this. You can choose your own pricing on these sites and collaborate with students from all over the world. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field such as health, business, or personal development, you can offer coaching services online. You can do this through platforms like Coach.me, BetterUp, or Talkspace. These platforms provide everything you need to offer coaching services, including video hosting, payment processing, and scheduling tools. When it comes to making money online from home, there are a few key steps to follow. Find your niche. It's important to find a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand for the services or products you plan to offer. This will help you to stand out in the crowded online marketplace and attract the right customers. Establishing an online presence is crucial after choosing your area of expertise. Make websites, social media profiles, and online portfolios to display your products and services. Promote your products or services. If you want to earn money online, you must advertise your goods or services. To do this, you might create blog articles, take part in online forums, and run niche-specific social media advertisements. Provide top-notch customer service. The secret to launching a successful internet business is to deliver top-notch customer service. This can be achieved by offering prompt customer service, generating high-quality work, and communicating often with clients on the status of projects. Monitor your money. It's crucial to keep an eye on your expenditures if you want to earn money online. Be sure to budget for taxes and keep track of your income and outgoing costs. As a result, there are many opportunities for working from home and earning money online, and these possibilities are expanding daily. You may create a successful online business and benefit from the flexibility and freedom that come with working from home by deciding on your area of expertise, developing your online presence, marketing your services, offering top-notch customer service, and keeping an eye on your money. Always remember that earning money online requires perseverance, patience, and time, but with the appropriate mindset and approach, you may find success in a rewarding online job. Watch my YouTube channel about financial education and more tips in this. Like, subscribe to see my future videos.